What to do with rhubarb? I pick the rhubarb, clean up, put leaves to the compost. Even if they say it's poison, but it's okay in compost. I mean leaves. Then clean up. This will be compost too. Clean up, chop, chop, chop. 2 cups of sugar. Put in a pot, put sugar on, and leave it for like 4 or 5 hours because it will get on juice. You do not need to add any water. It's melted. Now, cook for 20 minutes. Then you can leave like this, or you can blend it. I like it blended. Just blend it. It's hot, and I am not doing this for winter. I am putting just in simple jars, just for quick use, keep in fridge. I use it for pancakes, for zucchini pancakes, and it's so soury sweet. It's a perfect combination. From this amount, I made 2 little jars and a little bit more.